Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vetri Otto, and on this channel I share videos on food, business. I also share videos on NAFDAC registration in Nigeria. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. In today's video I'll be showing how to make this peppered goat meat. This peppered goat meat is so yummy and delicious. It's so versatile because you can have it with a lot of other dishes or meals. You can also eat it alone if you want to. First, you start by seasoning your goat meat and cooking it. So place your goat meat in a pot, add some onions, seasoning cubes, pepper mix, which is a mixture of red scotch bonnet peppers and onions. So add some water, stir it, place it over the fire to cook until it is tender. Next, you want to fry your goat meat. Can you hear the sound of the frying? Okay, make sure you don't fry it so dry. Next, in another pot or pan, pour in some vegetable oil, add some onions, add some seasoning cubes, and next introduce your pepper mix. Cover the pot and allow the pepper to cook for about 4 minutes until the oil floats on top. Next, you can season it some more, but make sure you're tasting it so you can adjust the taste properly. Next, add your fried goat meat and some curry leaves, then some bell peppers. I used green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper, and this took it to another whole level. It was so yummy. In fact, everyone that had it loved it. You can serve it with any meal of your choice, or you can eat it and have it with a bottle of chilled drink. Trust me, this is so delicious and you would want to eat it again and again.